What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video, I have been planning on this Plant vs Undead token for about 2 or 3 days now. And I've seen a lot of potential into this game slash token. And so I'll say one thing, this is kind of similar, the platform, not the game. The platform is pretty similar to Axie Infinity, and so it might be, up there with Axie Infinity. I'm not fully sure, so from what I'm seeing, this is a really good potential token right here. This is their token right here, PVU, and right now I am on CoinGecko, not CoinMarketCap, but you can use either website. And you can see that the market cap is already actually pretty high for being quite new. As you can see, it has came out about a week and a half ago, and it is pretty new, and for being really new, it's already had a lot of volume and market cap already. And so there's a lot of potential. This is on the Binance Smart Chain contract too, and their websites are here. Their socials are all here. And so there you have their source code, and so let's get into it. Now it's called Plant vs Undead, and also it is pretty similar to Plants vs Zombies right here. But the game it has a concept of Plant vs Zombie, but it's not exactly the same or anything. So Plant vs Zombie is a great game, and it's one of the best games I've played in mobile and stuff like that. But this is the gameplay right here. Now, it's definitely not in the same art style as Plant vs Zombies, but this is still pretty nice, and they don't have to either. They will get copyrighted if they did, so they took a good approach on it. And so plant synergy, so this is like an explanation on how you can play the game and what types of plants there are. And then you have the utilities for the tokens, so it's an in-game currency if you get PVU, which is this token symbol right here. And so you can get this in-game and everything. And I've actually downloaded the game, and it's in beta right now, so you don't actually get anything from playing the game. So it's a beta test version, and it'll probably come out soon, anytime soon, and you'll be able to actually play the game and earn. So it's like Axie Infinity, you play to earn. Now I'll show you the marketplace in a little bit, and I'll also show you the game in a bit. You can send PVU tokens in the chats with friends, so basically you can just gift people PVU tokens if you would want to. It's play to earn, as you can see, just like I said. Tokenomics, there is about 700,000 tokens for sale right now. Liquidity is 200,000, and then there's a total of 93.33%, the rest being lockup. And then you have the staking and stuff like that, the distribution for the tokens, all of this written down here. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to check it out, and that's about it. If you want to find them on Twitter, their socials are right here, so you would click this Twitter logo, and this is their Twitter. You can see many things. You can see reports, you can see their updates, news. You could see when they're gonna update their game or make an official release, so you should follow them. I'm gonna follow them myself too. And so that's that. Now let's get into a marketplace real quick. And so you would be granted to dashboard right here, and there is many people already selling and buying plants. Like this person has just bought a plant for 111 PVU tokens, and if we went to CoinGecko and we put 111 PVU, that is $1,300 just on one item. Now in Axie Infinity, you'd pay around 400 or something around there, but here you're gonna have to pay way more if you want these plants. So let's say, as you can see, basically almost most of the plants are over 100, or yeah, so you basically have to pay a bunch of money to start, but that's not a bad thing, because there's also more potential in you making more money. And the average price right here you can see is 1,657 per plant. And then they've got the lands just like Axie Infinity, but there you go, it's loaded, and they are obviously more expensive. These lands, you can plant your plants and start farming with them. And then you have the mother tree, which is also something you can place on the land. You can see the different days and whatever. You've got marketplace right here, so you can actually like sort it by different things: IDs, rarities, mother tree, and lands. Now lands will obviously be expensive, but they're still really beneficial. And then you have farm, but I'm pretty sure this is okay. It is working. Before it wasn't working for me, but it has loaded now. And so here you would like start farming. You would click this. You would put your land. They give you one free land, and that's where you can put 5 plants and 1 mother tree. And then you choose the plants you want to put on it and the mother tree, and then it starts farming for you tokens and everything. And those tokens, there's also different types of tokens in this game. So if I were to check out right here, you have a token called LE, and 100 LE becomes 1 PVU token. So you can generate LEs also, and you can also swap it through here. You can swap it through here from PVU to 70 LE, and that is how that works. LE is also gained through tasks and stuff through here. And so here is not more of a marketplace. This is just a Plant versus Undead actually selling a fixed price to you for like lands, packs, and seeds. So this is like getting a new completely breeding an Axie or something, but this is like growing a plant, and you don't know what you would get. You could get something insanely good, you can get something on the bottom tier, and that's how that works. And so you're gonna need to have a MetaMask or a few different wallets out there with Binance Smart Chain compatibility. And then here I'm gonna go over to the game. So how you would install the game right here is you would be at the main website right here, and you click download, and you choose either if you're on Android or Windows, and you click it. And once it downloads, you're gonna have to extract it. So you're gonna have to have something like WinRAR or 7-zip, and then you'll open the folder and you'll find the game right here. It seems like it's made by Unity, so that's cool. And so we're gonna launch the game real quick, and it is made with Unity. And here you have the game. So this is what the game looks like. You can choose whatever plants you want to swap it out with. I played this game. I played a few rounds on this game, and so you can learn about the plants and make your own army, and then you can go into just survival. But in the beta version, you will not make any money, so don't expect you to make money already, because they're giving you these plants for free for the beta version, but then you're gonna have to start gathering your plants to play with your own plants, and then you can start playing it and making money. So it is not free to play. So make sure to pay attention to free to play and non-free to play games, because most of the time the free to play games are not the ones that make you the most money, but it is an investment, so I recommend you that. What you normally do is click survival, and that's just a teaser for you. I'm gonna teach you on how the game works and how you can see what plants do, how to build your own army, and that will be the end of the video. Check them out in the link description. If you want to learn more and get updates, check their Medium right here. I'll put that in the link. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. I'll see you guys later.